Welcome to homework help for the grade 8 part for the Intro to Parts assignment. We did walk through this in class, this part, and then the advanced part for homework if you would like up the challenge. I am going to give some hints and walk through this part. So if we take a look, like we talked about in class, we're going to do this back rectangular piece first. So I'm going to create a sketch, place it in my front plane, and grab my rectangle tool. And I'm going to create a rectangle that is 3 inches by 2 inches. I'm going to extrude this rectangle 0.5 inches. So again, what we've created is that rectangular back wall piece right here. The next thing that we're going to create is this L piece that's sitting on its back. I'm going to lay a sketch down on the front of this rectangle. I'm going to grab my line tool and I'm going to create a 2-inch line, a 0.5, 1-inch line, 0.5, 1 inch, and a 1-inch line. I may get an error because I was doing both dimensions and I was doing geometric rules. So if I do, I can just click off that error. And next, I'm going to extrude that rectangle 2 inches. So we can see is I now have this bottom portion, but I'm missing this slant or this triangular portion. So I'm going to go to the back side of this piece here on that left side view. I'm going to put a sketch here. I'm going to orientate myself. I'm going to grab my line tool and I'm going to do a 2-inch line and trace that, a 1-inch line and trace that, and then connect my 2 points. I'm now going to click extrude. I'm going to change the direction by clicking this arrow. And I'm going to do a 1-inch extrusion, and I want to add a part instead of making it part of a new part. So I want to join it. So I'm going to click on add, green check mark, and now you can see we have a matching part according to our specifications. Now a hint for the advanced part, what we're going to do is we're just going to draw this portion here. So I'm going to hide this part, I'll create a new sketch, and again I'm just going to give you a hint for this. So I'm going to grab my line tool, I'm going to draw a 36-inch line. Oh. That 36-inch line, I'm going to have a 32-inch line that goes downwards. Again, changing my orientation so I can see this. Then I'm going to create another 36-inch line. Next, I'm going to go to my arc tool. I'm going to connect this line to this line with a 16-inch radius arc. And I'm going to extrude this piece 32 inches. So your hint is to start with this shape. Now, just like the previous part and this part, there are numerous ways to do this part. None of them are wrong as long as you get the desired outcome. So those of you trying to tackle this advanced part, take this and you should be able to create the rest of this using that orthographic drawing. Good luck on these homework parts.